Right now, though many of you may not be heading out on the roads this morning, we want to be your eyes for you. We're going to take a look at those road conditions for you. Our Evan Krugel and photojournalist Ann Herbst are joining us live right now, cruising near Fairfax in 3rd and East Denver. How's it going out there?
Hey, good morning, Lauren. Yeah, pretty nice drive so far this morning. We just ventured over near Monaco and Alameda. Here's a live look out the front of Alameda. You can see beautiful, clear pavement. Really nice sight out here on these main city roads this morning. But the second you get off of those main roads, it is a very different story. As we turn here onto Cremeria Street, you can see this one at least has had one of those passes from the residential plows. So we did just see one of those Denver residential plows out. They are officially out in force working these residential roads this morning. So the city clearly decided there was enough snow to activate those plows, at least on some of these residential roads. But some are still in pretty rough shape. As you venture deeper into some of these neighborhoods here in the Hilltop area, lots of snow-packed roads and spots that are considerably slick compared to some of these other main roads. We're also seeing a lot of power outages in this area. About 25,000 folks still without power in this immediate area, and so that is impacting some lights. We've seen some lights out on a couple of major intersections, so that's something to keep in mind. I can tell you it is definitely that wet, heavy snow here on the east side of town. This area got a lot more snow than the west side. These side roads not in great shape, but the main roads in pretty good shape, and the interstates that we've been on have been in really great shape. So if you're venturing out this morning, you just probably need to get out of the neighborhood, find a main road, and you'll probably be able to get to where you need to go. But just based on the snow we're seeing, this is not going to be a fun day shoveling. Good idea to take your time out and about, whether you're walking, shoveling, or driving, at least until you get out to those main roads. Lauren, we'll send things back to you for now.
Thank you, Evan. Yeah, it's one of those days where hopefully you got out there earlier so you can do the shoveling in rounds. It's not like you have all of this snow just stacked up on your driveway. That's what makes it tough.
Absolutely, Lauren. And another good way to celebrate, wear a nice holiday sweater like Ann Herbst is wearing today. She's been getting us around safely all morning, so definitely a good idea to take your time if you're venturing out, but roads are in pretty good shape, and that's certainly good news for people with plans on a Saturday morning.